Aboriginal Americans, beware of foreign influence. Nature debunks the Out of Africa Theory, Volume 2. First of all, if the Out of Africa Theory was a fact, why is the word theory attached to the term Out of Africa? Could it be that the Out of Africa Theory is just a theory? And then what is a theory? A theory is just an explanation based on assumption. Nothing more, nothing less. Secondly, if all life originated from Africa and walked over to other places, why did zebras and meerkats, which are indigenous to Africa, decided that they wanted to stay in Africa and not walk to the other parts of the world? There are no zebra or meerkat types of animals outside of Africa. Also, something else to think about. If all life originated from Africa and walked over to the other locations, other continents, what about those animals that are indigenous to Australia and New Zealand? Like kangaroos, wombats, koalas, Tasmanian devils, kiwis. What about those animals? There are no African equivalent to those animals. Animals that are indigenous to Australia and New Zealand, that's where they come from. They're exclusive to those geographic locations. In conclusion, the Out of Africa Theory is just a theory. It's not a fact. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you would like to become a Patreon, click the link below. And I'll see you guys next time.